Keyboard shortcut for the Windows Explorer address bar. Is there a keyboard shortcut in Windows Explorer, Windows 7, to put the cursor into the address bar, where the current path is shown?
Found it. It's possible with the following two shortcuts. Alt+D selects the current path in English versions, see comments for other languages. On Windows 8, Ctrl+I can also be used to select the current path, all languages. F4 will put the cursor at the end of the current path and expand the drop-down list of the address bar, all languages. By the way, here's a complete list of keyboard shortcuts in Windows 7, this URL.
I can't verify this myself at the moment since I'm using Mac OS X, but this webpage suggests that Alt-D is what you're looking for. See section, Windows Explorer keyboard shortcuts.
If you're using non-English version, you can use AutoHotkey with this script.
Ctrl+L seems to be working in many browsers, in File Explorer too. It's in Windows 8, in Windows 7 it does not work.
If you want to support this channel, please consider clicking the subscribe